I tried BitFlyer wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the BitFlyer wallet app, I expected it to be just another exchange wallet with limited features. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that BitFlyer combines the simplicity of a beginner wallet with the security and reliability of a professional trading platform. BitFlyer is one of Japan's largest and most regulated crypto exchanges, and that credibility shows immediately. The setup took less than 5 minutes, identity verification was quick, and within the first hour, I could deposit fiat and start trading. On day 2, I transferred some Bitcoin into the wallet and made a few test transactions. The speed was impressive. Transfers between BitFlyer users were instant and free, and even blockchain transactions cleared faster than expected. By day 3, I started exploring its trading features. What makes BitFlyer stand out is its balance between simplicity and control. Beginners can use the buy sell tap for instant purchases, while advanced users can switch to Lightning Exchange for real-time order books, charts, and limit orders. It's smooth and responsive even during high market activity. Midweek, I tested the security features. BitFlyer enforces strong 2-factor authentication, cold storage for user funds, and strict compliance with Japanese financial regulations. It's one of the few wallets where I genuinely felt my funds were both accessible and secure. However, I did notice one limitation. While BitFlyer supports major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few altcoins, it lacks the broader token variety you'd find on global exchanges. Still, for safety and usability, it's excellent. After 7 days, the shocking truth is that BitFlyer wallet doesn't try to be everything, and that's exactly its strength. It focuses on doing the basics extremely well: secure storage, fast trading, and a trustworthy experience. For anyone looking for a safe, regulated crypto wallet, BitFlyer might just be one of the smartest choices out there.